I will try to go around on how climate science is generated and deployed to inform African climate policy positions. Before I do this, I would like just to give you some background. For some of us who started along in this process, you see, let us take IPCC reports. In 1992 or 91, when they issued the first report, in that report for Working Group 1, which is science, I remember there was just one contribution from Africa. Just one contribution. I don't think that's the position now. If you go to see Working Group 1, which is science, we have actually a substantial amount of contribution of scientists from Africa who are contributing in that report, or who have contributed. Since IPCC started, during that time, I think the only university which was well known in our area here is University of Nairobi, which was offering meteorology. Of course, some, of course, in Southern Africa, South Africa. But of recent, many universities have come up which are teaching meteorology. Okay? So I'm trying to show that it's true that Africa is still lagging behind in terms of sciences, especially experts. But I don't think I really take it very serious that we are really lacking people or scientists who can do some of this work. I think we have improved. We have people who are here who can help us. And if our policymakers don't want to listen to us, that's their own problem. Otherwise, we have people who can provide some good advice to our policymakers. These guys in these institutions have been able to do some research, very significant research. The only problem we have in Africa, our researchers don't have that opportunity to publish these things in those what you call peer-reviewed journals. Because some of the work which is quoted by IPCC need to be peer-reviewed. So you find that ours, in most cases, is not quoted. And then we say, no, we don't have products to show or evidences to show. I tend to think we have some evidences already, except that somehow we don't have the proper system to ensure that this information gets into advising our people.